Hi students, now we are going to solve the textbook exercise problems. So the numerical number 1. A square coil of side 30 centimeter with 500 turns is kept in a uniform magnetic field of 0.4 Tesla. The plane of the coil is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the field. Calculate the magnetic flux through the coil. So this is very simple and a direct question. Here what are all the given quantities we will find out. Now the side of the square coil, side A, is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is equal to 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. So now the area of this coil, capital A, area of the coil is equal to 0.3 into 0.3. So this is equal to 0.09 meter square. Okay, 0.09 meter square. Then it is having total number of turns. So number of turns N is equal to 500 turns. And the magnetic field strength is 0.4 Tesla. So B is equal to 0.4 Tesla. So calculate the magnetic flux through the coil. Flux through one turn is 5. Therefore, what is the total flux linked with the entire coil of 500 turns? So N times 5 we have to find out. So N5 is also equal to N into BA cos theta. BA cos theta. Now here it is mentioned that the plane of the coil is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So you can see that this is the magnetic field vector acting along the x-axis. Plane of the coil is making 30 degree. So here also you can see it is 30 degree. Therefore, what is the angle which is drawn? What is the angle made by the normal to the plane of the coil? That only is theta here. Here theta is the angle made by the normal vector, area vector. Is it not? It is not the plane. This is not the angle made by the plane of the coil. It is the angle made by the normal to the plane of the coil with the magnetic field. So this remaining angle, this angle is 60 degree. So here theta is given as what? 60 degree. Here only students will be misguided. Directly in a quick manner they will respond by taking theta equal to 30. That is to be checked once again. Understand that? If they have given directly, if the normal to the plane of the coil is inclined to 30 means we can accept theta 30. But here it is 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. This is the only point to understand. Otherwise it is direct substitution only. Okay. So the flux is now equal to N. N is 500 into B. B is 0.4 Tesla into area A. A is 0.09. So this is 0.09 into cos of 60. That is equal to 1 by 2. So now this is equal to 500. Here 100 I can multiply with this 0.09. So that this will become what? 5 into 9 into. This can be written as 0.4 as 4 into 10 power minus 1 into cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Now mathematical steps by any way you can do, is it not? So this is now equal to, this is 2 2s are 4. Again 5 into 2 is what? 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 into 9 into 10 power minus 1. So we can cancel this 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 1. So what is remaining? That is 9. Therefore the flux linked with the coil flux phi, okay, or N phi is equal to 9 Weber is the answer. Okay? Have you understood? Okay, fine.